Tired of seeing gibberish instead of beautiful Khmer script on your website? That's a frustrating problem many web developers run into when working with Khmer Unicode in Adobe Dreamweaver. But don't worry, fixing it is easier than you think. Let's dive in and get those characters displaying the way they should be. Start by opening your Dreamweaver project. Next, go to the Edit menu. Then choose Preferences. This will pop up the Preferences window. In the Preferences window, click on New Document in the category list. This section controls the default settings for new web pages. Now, the crucial step: look for the default encoding setting. Click the drop-down menu and select .fade. This encoding supports a wide range of characters, including Khmer. Click on the Apply button to ensure those settings safe. With the encoding now set correctly, open the specific HTML file that contains your Khmer text. Now, we need to make sure your page is set up to show the Khmer font. On the top menu bar, click on Format, then Character Encoding, then select .fade. This tells Dreamweaver the encoding for this specific document. Finally, you need to specify your Khmer font either in your HTML, using the Property Inspector, or within the CSS, in your font selector. Congratulations! You should now see the beautiful Khmer script displayed correctly. Now you can successfully display your Khmer words correctly with your Adobe Dreamweaver project. Remember to save your HTML files. If you had any issues, rerun the steps to make sure you set everything up accordingly. And for web localization,